This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A6 battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10 mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Always ensure your car is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for maximum safety. For your protection, wear sturdy gloves and safety glasses to prevent any contact with battery acid. This careful preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Now let's locate your Audi A6 battery. It's often found in the trunk, under the spare tire, or sometimes under the hood. Using your 10 mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly. A wire brush works well for this. Now, carefully place your new battery into the clean tray, ensuring it sits securely. Reattach any hold-down clamps or straps. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, to complete the circuit safely. Before closing up, double-check that all connections are tight and secure, and that the new battery is stable in its tray. Now, start your Audi A6 to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly and all electrical systems are working. For optimal performance and to ensure proper charging, it's often recommended to have the new battery registered by a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.